Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Abundant Love. Today I'm back with another pick a card reading. Today's topic is about what is the miracle that is coming next in your life. I have three options. This perfume bottle with a heart-shaped emblem on its front is for option 1 viewers. This perfume bottle with a flower-shaped lid is for option 2 viewers. And this bottle with a crown shaped lid is for option 3 viewers. Now you can choose any one or more than one option based on what resonates really strongly with you. Once you've made your choice, you need not see the entire video. You can go to the video description and click on the timestamp next to your option. Your reading will start from there. Now I'll say my usual prayer. You can use this time to make a choice. Dear gods, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, archangels, ascended masters, and all the white light workers of the universe, please put me and the viewers of this video inside your protection bubble throughout this reading. Please help viewers receive messages they need to hear, messages about the next miracle that is coming in their life. Thank you for everything that you do for us. Lots and lots of love. Awesome. I'll now keep this two other options here on the side while we get started with our first option. Let me just make sure I have this thing. Welcome to your reading, my dear option 1 viewers who chose this perfume bottle with like a heart-shaped emblem in the front. I already pre-shuffled your cards, so let us see what is the miracle that is coming into your life next. Okay, very interesting. So what I'm seeing happening here is I'm starting with your energy oracle, all tied up. So there's probably a situation where you were feeling trapped or where your fears were keeping you stagnant, was not letting you move. It is giving me a mixture of both Hangman and the Eight of Swords energy. Like where, you feel you are stuck sometimes, and sometimes you are like, the universe is opening every door for you, but your fears are stopping you. Okay, so the major miracle that is happening is this situation is changing with the wheel of fortune. Whenever the wheel of fortune shows up, it always means like a major positive transformation is going to happen in your situation. Whatever was stopping you from being uh, like uh, your highest self or being successful. Also, some of you, I'm seeing like you are very close on the verge of success, sorry. But this thing was your fears and illusions, and something or the other kept coming and stopping you. So now the miracle that is coming in with the wheel of fortune, I'm seeing it's pretty unexpected. You don't even know from which direction it will come, but suddenly this situation will entirely change. And also I'm seeing there's a Knight of Pentacles card. The Knight of Pentacles is usually slow moving energy, which is why probably you cannot sense it, because you feel that okay, it's stuck, there is no progress. But actually there is progress. Even slow progress is progress, right? But probably because the Knight of Pentacles is slow, you don't even know that it's coming towards you. Okay, I'm seeing your spirit guides have totally kept it under the wraps. And the other thing is, remember, it's a pentacle energy, so definitely it is bringing you some kind of material reward. Okay, it can be like a new job offer. Many of you who were like really worried that okay, I've recently lost my job, or I just want to change this from this company to here, or within the company, I want to get a promotion and all. It's all coming. Money related, any anxieties that you were having, uh, they are going to be taken care of in a miraculous way. you also got the yes card. Yes, yes, yes. If you're still doubting, your angels are coming in and saying, yes, it is happening. The abundance is coming your way, so that you don't feel constrained. Some of you were probably, uh, not applying for a course, or not going for that vacation because you think, oh no, like my current scenario, my current financial situation doesn't allow me. But that is the miracle that's happening, okay? But it is happening slowly, so I would say it's like, take a timeline of 2 to 3 weeks. But definitely with the yes I'm seeing, this is something that you really prayed for, desired for, but some shift needed to happen with the blessing card. I'm seeing it's a blessing on the waters, which means again some deep cleansing of your emotions has happened. Earlier with the all tied up card, I was like, from the beginning only, I was sensing it was your fears, your emotions that was mainly stopping you from even seeing or asking for help, or just going to search for the right resource at the right location and right time. So that was being stopped by your emotions. But right now with the blessing of the waters, I don't know, probably some of you, because in India this Kumbh Mela is going on, some of you if you have gone there and took a dip, have already taken a dip in the holy river, then probably you have felt that like a huge cleansing, a huge internal shift happens. And maybe that's caused a miracle, or otherwise it is your masters or your loved ones on the other side who really are coming into the reading, and they are doing like that cheerleading thing. Yes, 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 it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, okay? So that's why probably if you have been brought to this video, you needed to hear that if you're feeling constrained right now, don't worry. Within 2 to 3 weeks, there's a huge miracle coming your way, mostly related to an elevation or an improvement your financial status. For some of you it can be like another additional blessing also, like say a financial gift or something, or maybe somewhere you applied and you are waiting for results or examination results and all. So, and yes to that too. But overall, there's definitely a huge improvement in your emotional health also happening, that is bringing about this huge financial miracle. Okay, so let me know when that happens in the comments. Let me know if the readings resonate. That's all I have for you. I will see you again in my next reading. Till then, stay blessed. Lots and lots of love. Bye bye. Awesome. I'll put these cards back so that we can move on to our next option. Welcome to your reading, my dear option 2 viewers who chose this perfume bottle with this cute flower lid. I have already pre-shuffled the cards, so let's see what is the miracle that is coming your way, uh, like in the near future. Okay, so wow, this is deep. This is like a karmic situation resolving, okay? Because first you have like this healer of all ages. Like it's a massive healing that has taken place on all levels, like whether it's physical, energetic, whether it's all chakras, whether it's different aspects of your life. Excuse me. But yeah, like in your, like this is such a deep rooted healing that it's automatically, your personality improves, your love life improves, your work life improves, your relationships with others improve, your relationship with yourself improve, like that, you know. Especially, my attention is going to this. Yeah, wow. I've never noticed this actually before. I'll bring the card. I've never noticed this. Like from this person's hands, there is almost like fire like thing coming out and all. Like my focus keep going to these person's hands. So some of you are, maybe you yourselves are transforming into very powerful healers. So if you are doing anything with your hands, energy healing, massage therapy, whatever you can think of, okay, like pottery, like anything that you use your hands extensively for, that is actually going to bring you a lot of fulfillment, a lot of satisfaction, and you are really going to do well, okay. But that's for the long term. But right now in the near future, this huge healing is happening because you also got this card, this peaceful resolution. So maybe there was a situation which was bothering you. For some of you, I'm seeing it was like an outright, argument or difference in opinion or some legal matters. For others, it's like more in your mind, it was bothering you that how do I say this? Will this person understand? And that suppression was causing decline in your physical health. So all that is being healed, like I said, in the emotional level, in the physical level, psychological level, karmic level. And that's why, I mean, everything is this is a karmic situation, like I said. So there's like huge resolution happening. And with this, both these cards, my just attention keeps going to this golden balls, which keeps telling me that very how do I say this, spiritual masters of very high stature, they are around you, okay. Especially your crown and your heart chakra is like super cleansed and super connected to the divine, okay. That's what is happening. uh, from the Rider Waite, I took two cards. One is the Four of Cups, the other is the Strength. So, like I said in the beginning, it was like a situation that was plaguing you for days, years, probably lifetimes. And that's why you don't even expect it to get resolved, and that is why this is such a huge miracle. Because some of you like are like don't even know when you're watching this reading what can it be, because you have just accepted that as a part of your existence. And um but I'm seeing that is going to change, because see this divine hand coming in when the person is not even looking or expecting. The person has just accepted that this is how it's going to be, but the divine is coming in very strongly. So initially you will feel, oh my god, what's happening, it's not familiar. And that's why the strength card is coming in, that you will be given the strength to just stay stable, stay calm through this situation. So that, because sometimes uh, we have to cross the storm before we reach the safety of the shore. If you understand what it means, is like you have to face a situation that is scaring your mind, and only after you face that situation, you realize, oh my God, why was I even stopping myself? Because so much better, so many better outcomes result from just facing your fear head on. So something like that is happening, and there's a peaceful resolution. There's a divine offer. This offer is different for each one of you. It can be some material offer, it can be love offer, it can be just you discovering something about yourself which you never had, okay. The major blessing that you're receiving is a blessing on a homecoming, again, my dear option two viewers, I like I was telling you, I really feel some of you have progressed so much in your spiritual journey that this homecoming is literally like that aha moment where you feel okay, I know you already know that you are connected to the divine and all, but where you now feel constantly, permanently the presence of the divine. It can be a guru, it can be a deity, it can be whichever form or formless version of the higher power that you love, that you connect to. So that is happening for sure. And for others of you, I'm seeing that it is being reunited with your loved ones, uh, some of whom were probably misunderstanding you, or yeah, some of you who had like who were suffering from severe physical complications because of this all this background thing going on. And suddenly, because your mind and body are aligned due to this huge healing taking place, you feel that even though like I'll give you my example, even though I have an autoimmune disease, but it doesn't bother me at all. So like that something is happening for you on paper. Maybe you have this condition or something, but it doesn't bother you because of this tremendous healing. So the miracle that is coming your way is, of course, an unexpected healing of a deep rooted issue. And due to result of that, you are getting a beautiful offer. And of course, there's a peaceful resolution of a long standing dispute happening. Okay, whether it's legal or relationship or in the workplace, doesn't matter. Okay, and you are being given enormous amount of strength and stability, uh, to come out of this situation like a victorious person. Okay, so this is all I have for you, my dear option two viewers. Please let me know in the comments if this resonated. I will see you again in my next reading. Till then, stay blessed, lots and lots of love. Bye bye. Awesome. I'll put these cards back so that we can move on to the next option. Welcome to your reading, my dear option 3 viewers who chose this particular perfume bottle with the crown shaped lid. I have already pre shuffled your cards. Let us now see what are the miracles or miracle, major miracle that is coming your way in the near future. Okay, awesome. So I'll show your Rider Waite tarot cards first. Okay, so uh, you have the Nine of Wands, and then you have the Knight of Swords. Okay, so Nine of Wands is the energy where a person has worked really hard, but not getting the reward, and now this person is like really sulking and upset that why am I not being recognized? Or for some of you, I'm feeling like you are being forced to wait. Like maybe you really did like really well in an interview, and then like no response, you're waiting. For some of you, you worked hard on launching a product or on a project, and then you feel somebody else is just trying to uh, how do I say, shut the thing down or put it in the back burner like that. And the miracle that is happening is, without you doing anything, there might be some another person coming in some cases who will come and highlight this injustice that was happening. With the Knight of Swords, I'm seeing it's some form of communication that is coming in. Okay, it can be an email, it can be a message, it can be like a legal contract which is coming in like really, really fast. With the Knight of Swords is a fast moving energy. For some of you, it might be you, because earlier you were thinking that no, okay, I should be polite and all. And now you realize that if you don't speak for yourself, nobody else will. So, the huge miracle that is happening for you in the near future is you realizing that you have to take action. Okay, with the Knight of Swords, I'm seeing that very, very strongly. Also from the Angel Oracle, you got this message, you are ready. Some of you were probably wondering, like, if I'm good enough to do this. I probably sometimes we think that okay, I'll be in the background and somebody else should be in the foreground, and then many times the foreground person takes all the credit, even though the background people do a lot of hard work. So that is not happening. Your spirit guides are pushing you almost so that you come to the foreground, you communicate, and they are telling you you are ready. That is the miracle where you realize that no point in sulking and waiting for somebody else to um, understand my worth, or somebody else to clap for me. I will go ahead, I will communicate, I'll present, I'll take charge. Like, the miracle that is happening is you are getting that confidence that I will take charge. Okay, normally with the Knight of Swords, I would think that this person is being rash, but that's why the angels send the clarifier that you are ready. This is a miracle. Okay, because suddenly you will realize that okay, there's a small window of opportunity that is open, and you will just grab that opportunity. You have the Magician and the Mirror, which is an awesome manifestation energy. You are definitely, definitely manifesting something that you were waiting for long, that you were almost thinking that only if somebody takes pity on you, then only you will get it, otherwise, you can't get it. But now is the time to reap the rewards of your hard work. Your manifestation skills are super powerful right now. That's why think positive, dream positive, say positive affirmations, and go for it. Okay, just go for it. The blessing, the card that has come is a major blessing of the earth, with which I'm you know it's so beautiful. Even though it says blessing of the earth, but here you see the person in nature, and with all these things flying, I'm feeling like the air blowing. That is the sense I'm feeling. And air is an energy of the sword, so I'm seeing both energy of earth and air supporting you. Like, air is usually a throat chakra and earth is our root chakra. So from throat to root chakra, I'm seeing there's a beautiful synchronization and balance happening, and that is helping you to manifest what you desired for a very long time, but somehow it wasn't reaching the completion. For some of you, it was probably 80% done, and then it was stuck indefinitely, whether it's a relationship, whether it's uh, you know professional situation. You are moving forward and you are manifesting something big with the blessing of the earth. Definitely, I'm seeing for some of you, it can be like a house also. You are probably like talking to different real estate agents, and none of the offers were satisfactory, and now finally you find something and you just go for it. Okay, so this is really wonderful. So this is the miracle that is happening in your life, is you are manifesting something that will give you tremendous comfort in the near future. And the miracle is happening through you, because finally your self confidence is going up, and your communication, your uh, timely uh, communication and intervention in the situation is bringing this major miracle in your life. Okay, so this is all I have for you, my dear option 3 viewers. If this resonated, please hit the like button, please leave a comment, share this video as much as you can, and subscribe to my channel Abundant Love if you haven't already. I will see you again in my next reading. Till then, stay blessed, lots and lots of love. Bye bye.